Lil Bubba it has a good program, equipment that is easy to use, staff is very knowledgeable and friendly, so we are getting set for success.
My name is Mary Mulkey and I'm from Indiana, and I'm actually a nurse, been a nurse for 40 years.
Gina Husser from Pittsburgh in marketing.
My name is Angelica Medina. I'm from California as well, and I work as a behavior specialist at a school.
The marketing and sales training is top-notch. I've been in marketing for 20 years, and it's great to have a refresher, and everything that was taught during that first day really preps you for dealing with people, dealing with questions, asking for the sale. The whole kit and caboodle was really helpful.
Carl's really good at instructing this. He knows it upside down. He can tell everybody how to do it. He can tell you, don't do it this way also. So I think that's very valuable to have someone that could probably do it in his sleep.
I felt like it was a lot easier than I thought it would be. Like, it was scary seeing so many machines and stuff like that. Like, I thought, oh my gosh, how are we gonna drive this? But it was a lot easier.
You guys do make everything in-house, and Chris, our sales rep, said, you just call me. If I don't have the answer, I look for the answer for you. So we're here to support you from the beginning.
With the Moroccan, it's more like you're the artisan. You're the one that is actually creating it, and you can just put any ideas into it and make it yours.
The Moroccan product with Lil Bubba is a phenomenal look, and we feel like it is something that is going to fit the need for what our customers are asking for. That's something different. That's something a little higher end or more natural looking.
Next level.
Next level. It allows the person to really explore their creative side with creating the borders and the landscape, because there's so much you can customize yourself should you choose.
Well, I like the Moroccan because it doesn't have to be so perfect. It can look natural, and it's just easier. And it's faster, and we're wanting to optimize efficiency and plus quality, so I think that's the key though.
The main difference that I saw was with the Moroccan, you don't have to be as precise, so it would be very easy to do on your own, very easy to teach somebody that works for you. So yeah, I thought that was great.
I would say to that is, if you're on the fence, this curbing, this offering with Moroccan is such a different animal that if you're on the fence, man, now's the time, because there is a product that is way more forgiving and easier to jump into.
It was a wonderful experience. From the moment you walk in, you feel welcome, you feel you're at home. We felt so comfortable, and we learned a lot, and we cannot wait to go home and apply everything we learned.
If you're really wanting to have your own business and work for yourself, maybe be able to work along hard stretches and take some time off and not have to ask for time off, you're going to be your own boss. And I think you are a person that can be disciplined enough to make yourself work on a certain schedule and do things, but yet be able to give yourself the time you want also. I think this is the opportunity that you could have.
Well, I'm the skeptic here. I came in very skeptical, very concerned. It's a huge step for us, a big change in our lives, and after being here, I'm all in. I'm so impressed with the company. It's a well-oiled machine. You're given everything you need. The support is unbelievable. I'm really excited to get started and see what we can do.